Hey there, today we are making a lazy but very yummy dinner. Let's start with the vegetables. I'm using potatoes, baby carrots, and some zucchini. Place those in a large bowl and then we'll season them. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and salt. Of course, you can adjust the seasonings according to your liking. Sprinkle those seasonings all over the vegetables and then add some garlic, about a teaspoon, and then some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Sprinkle that all over and then toss the vegetables until they are all evenly coated with the seasonings. You could increase the amount if you like heavily seasoned vegetables. Place those in a baking tray. Um, I'm using a baking tray that's a little deep so that it catches everything. Now let's season the chicken. I'm using 4 pieces of chicken thighs and some drums. I trimmed off excess skin and some fat. You could also do that before baking the chicken. And now let's season with onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, thyme, and rosemary, and salt, and paprika. Yeah, go ahead and add those in there. And then we'll add garlic again, this time a little bit more garlic and some olive oil. Now you're going to rub everything until the chicken is also nicely coated with the seasonings. So no marinating needed for this recipe because it's a quick, lazy recipe. When it looks good like that, I think you're ready to go and place it on the vegetables. So lay the chicken on the vegetables, and then you're going to bake this at 400 for about an hour to an hour 20 minutes, just until your potatoes and the chicken are done. And now let's take a look. I did flip the chicken halfway through so that it cooks on both sides nicely. You could also do that. And the meal is ready. So go ahead and serve and enjoy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you. Everything is well done. The potatoes are not mushy, but they are well cooked. So as soon as your potatoes are done and you know the chicken is done, you're ready to get your meal off the oven. Yeah, so it tasted really amazing, and this is a very simple dinner. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.